Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will show you how to make delicious homemade yogurt using your Instant Pot. We'll start by pouring 1 gallon of whole milk into the pot. This is a crucial first step for creamy yogurt. Then, select the yogurt function and set it to boil or more to heat the milk to 180 degrees Fahrenheit. This process denatures the milk proteins, creating a better texture for your final product. It usually takes about 20 to 30 minutes. Once your milk reaches 180 degrees, it's time to cool it down. You can do this by placing the inner pot in an ice bath or simply letting it sit at room temperature. The goal is to bring the temperature down to between 90 and 110 degrees Fahrenheit. This range is perfect for the live cultures. Next, add 2 tablespoons of a good quality yogurt starter or plain yogurt with live cultures, whisking it in gently until fully combined. Now for the magic. Place the lid back on your Instant Pot and select the yogurt function again, but this time set it to less or normal for incubation. You'll want to incubate the milk for 8 to 12 hours. The longer it incubates, the tangier and thicker your yogurt will become. During this time, the Instant Pot maintains the ideal temperature for the bacteria to work their wonders. Just let it do its thing. Once incubation is complete, your yogurt is ready. Carefully remove the inner pot and place it in the refrigerator to chill for at least 4 hours. This chilling process helps the yogurt set even further and improves its texture. If you prefer a thicker, Greek-style yogurt, you can strain it through a cheesecloth-lined colander for a few hours. Store your delicious homemade yogurt in an airtight container in the fridge for up to 2 weeks. Enjoy!
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.